Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking Windows Update and saving work. This avoids lost progress. Once done, open Device Manager with Win+X and locate display adapters. You want to confirm the entry labeled Microsoft Basic Display Adapter so you know Windows is using a generic driver. Right-click the entry now to reveal options. Make sure to note any error icons or code numbers. These clues guide the next steps. If you see a yellow triangle, pause to record that exact message before continuing. You will uninstall the generic driver to force Windows to redetect hardware. Right-click and choose Uninstall Device, and check Delete Driver Software if shown. Once removed, use Action Scan for hardware changes or restart the PC to trigger a fresh driver install. If Windows still defaults to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, go to the GPU or laptop maker's support page and download the exact model driver. Make sure the driver matches your OS build and architecture before installing. You must install the downloaded OEM driver with administrator rights and then reboot to apply changes. This ensures proper GPU features and correct resolution are restored. After reboot, verify in Display Settings and Device Manager that the GPU name appears instead of Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, and confirm refresh rate is correct. If problems persist, use Device Manager to roll back the driver, or reboot into safe mode to uninstall conflicting drivers and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.